Choosing the right laundry detergent for your baby is an important decision that can impact their comfort and health. As a new parent, you want to ensure that your baby's clothes are clean and safe. Here are some essential tips to guide you in selecting the best baby-friendly laundry detergent. First, look for detergents that are specifically labeled as baby-safe or hypoallergenic. These products are formulated to be gentle on sensitive skin and are free from harsh chemicals and fragrances that can cause irritation. Consider opting for a detergent that is free from dyes and perfumes. These additives can be harsh on delicate skin and may lead to allergic reactions or discomfort for your baby. Check the ingredient list for any potential allergens. Common irritants include sulfates, phosphates, and optical brighteners. Choosing a detergent with minimal ingredients can help reduce the risk of skin irritation. It's also beneficial to choose a detergent that is biodegradable and eco-friendly. These options are not only safer for your baby, but also better for the environment. When washing your baby's clothes, use the recommended amount of detergent to ensure that all residues are thoroughly rinsed out. Overusing detergent can leave behind residues that may irritate your baby's skin. If you're unsure about a particular detergent, consider doing a patch test. Wash a small item of your baby's clothing and monitor for any skin reactions after wearing. Remember, every baby is unique, and what works for one may not work for another. It might take some trial and error to find the perfect detergent for your little one. Choosing the right laundry detergent is a small step that can make a big difference in your baby's comfort and well-being. Trust your instincts and prioritize your baby's needs for a happy, healthy start.